तो चलिए आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टैंड अप इन समस्थिति। ब्रीद इन, बोथ हैंड्स अप। नाभि से शरीर को ऊपर की ओर खींचे। व्हाइल एक्सहेलिंग, बेंड फॉरवर्ड, palms on the floor. Walk with your palms forward. Come in down dog pose. Slowly. Breathe in, right foot bend and touch your left hand. Breathe in, left leg bend and touch your right hand. Breathe in, lift your right leg up and while exhaling, come in Ashwasanchana. Breathe in, right hand up towards the sky and while exhaling, cross your right leg and stretch your hands like a bird. Head on the floor. Stretch your left leg. Slowly come up. Roll your foot, knee on the floor. Come in down dog pose. Breathe in, lift your left leg up. While exhaling, come in Ashwasanchalan. Slowly breathe in, left hand up. And while exhaling, cross your left leg. Come in. Stretch your both hands like a bird. Head on the floor. Slowly come up. Roll your foot, knee off the floor. Come in down dog pose. Slowly come in plank. Side by side, foots open, both knees on the floor. Move your hips back. Come in child pose. Slowly come up table pose. Move your hips back. Come up in table pose. Slowly in table pose, side and long kick at 5 counting. With the both legs, breathe in, up, breathe out, down, breathe in, breathe out, in, out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly relax. Come in child pose. Roll your spine, head on your knees, हाथों को पीछे की ओर स्ट्रेच करें. Child pose. Slowly sit down. Come in butterfly pose. Lie down on your mat. Stretch your hands top of the head. Bend your both knees. Breathe in. Breathe out and open your legs at butterfly pose. Forcefully breathe out. Breathe in, lie down on your mat. Close your both knees. Breathe out forcefully. Sit up in butterfly pose. Continue. Breathe in, lie down. Breathe out forcefully and sit up. Breathe in. Lying down. Sit up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Lying down. Breathe out forcefully and sit up. Slowly do the butterfly. Breathe in, right hand up and place it to your opposite knee. Breathe in, left hand up, place it to your back side. Twist your body in butterfly pose. Slowly come up and relax. Breathe in, left hand up, place it to your opposite knee. Breathe in, right hand up, place it to your back side. Twist your body at your back side. Slowly relax. Namaste.